Today we're going to be installing a luggage rack on the rear of the new Himalayan 450, or Himalayan as some people know it. First thing up, remove the front, the two seats. Now that you've a much cleaner access point, you're going to come in and you're going to undo these two bolts here, which will give a little bit of swing on the rear of the fender. Once the bolts are done, you're coming to the underside of the bike, where you'll have another one here, 5mm Allen key, and one on the far side. Now, as that loosens up, just be mindful, you do have a set of wires here going through, obviously, to the lights at the rear, so just be careful you don't break any wire in there, and you will be able to just coax that out with a small screwdriver to detach it. With the rear fender removed, you'll have the access you need to undo the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one of them have a nut on the inside that will have to be held with a socket. 12mm socket to hold that nut in place. And then you're looking at a 6mm Allen key. You've been removing 4 of these, will be coming out. And replaced with the 4 longer ones you've got in your kit. In the luggage kit, you get 4 of these spacers, 2 on each side. They just slot in directly. Next up would be the rack itself, and then a bolt and a nut. The new kit going on, it's a 10mm spanner, or sorry, a size 10 spanner, and I'm just going to put a hand tie for the moment. Once that's done, you'll be tightening up with a 13 spanner on the inside, the 10 spanner on the outside. The last bolt through the rack onto the frame of the peg. And tighten. That's it, that's the luggage rack mounted. Time to put the rear fender back on. Don't forget to connect your wires. Let's push up the mudguard. Gently tighten these bolts at the top, and then put your other 2 bolts in at the front of the mudguard. Don't overly tighten these ones, and fully tighten on top. Main seat back on. And there you have it. Luggage rack installed on the rear of the new 450 Himalayan.